Now, before starting, let us have a closer look at the paintings and understand the material that we have used. For the flowers, here we have used kundans, which are available in a variety of shapes, colors and sizes. We have got round and teardrop shaped kundans. We also found ready-made kundans in the shape of flowers like these ones, or you can also use the teardrop shaped kundans for making flowers of your choice. Like you can make 5 petals or 6 petals flowers, while the ready-mades are available in 4 petal flower shape. These kundans added a nice 3D effect to our paintings, and to match with these flowers, one more experiment that we did with these paintings is that we marked the branches, the twigs and the birds with a 3D outliner, which is usually used with glass colors. Let the outlines dry thoroughly before filling. Once the outlines were dried thoroughly, we filled it with black color. Now in few paintings we have used glitter glue or liquid embroidery. This is another option to kundan. Glitter glue bottles are available as a sets or individual, so you can make your own choices. And now sit back and enjoy watching my kids while they make these beautiful paintings. Good. Nice work.
Now we will let it to dry.
Good. Excellent work. Loop at all the places where we want to place the flowers, the petals. Now start pasting the kundan on it and make the flowers. Excellent. Now make other flowers. Apply glue first and then stick the kundans. Yes, you can also use a stick to pick up those and put them in place. There should be a little glue on that stick. Nice. It's looking very pretty.
If you like our paintings, please give a thumbs up. Because your likes stirs smiles.
Also share.
Also share, subscribe, comment and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications.
All right. Bye. Stay tuned.